Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time, and it's a beautiful day out here in God's country. Today me and Ryan are here playing trucks and cars. So we're putting in a circle driveway for a friend. Ryan's over there playing on the little dozer. And a circle drive is going to go around this way, across these trees over here where this mulch is laying. On the other side of that, you can see Ryan grooming the road. So the first thing in road building is you got to take all this organic material and make it disappear. You don't want it getting soft under the road, so you have to clear that and get that off. So that's what he's doing now. He's just getting ready for us to rock it, put pit run down, what we call pit run, and that's just rock that you just grab out of the pit, and it's not crushed or anything, or not sorted. So he'll take all that material and push it back here. We dump that load of rock on the truck, then he will back me in here and we will load this out. So here's one load of gravel on the apron. We have all the low spots filled in with the pre-leveling. This is 10 yards of rock right here on this apron for approach. So this road here produced so far 10 yards of waste we had to get rid of. And looks like there might be maybe 2 more loads here. 3 total. So yeah, when this stopped working, or just quit, the engine just quit. First thing I did was that, well, it sounds like a fuel issue. This filter down here is a water fuel separator, and so I took that, loosened the drain off on the bottom, drained it out for a little bit, reinserted the plug. Yeah, fuel looked good. So then I came back, there's a little sediment filter, sediment bowl underneath the fuel tank. So I went ahead and took the bowl off, and it was full of mud, full of, well, rust. It wasn't really mud, but it looked like mud. There's just tiny rust particles that built up in there. You know, there's still a few little things, you know, I have to do this cap. It runs really good, or dozer I should say. So I took all this apart, flushed this out, took some WD-40 and blew back up into the hole and cleared, you know, cleared the passageway. But eventually I'm gonna have to possibly just drain the tank and figure out how to clean this thing out. So the tank's actually pretty good size. It goes from this seam right here. This is all hydraulic over here, hydraulic oil. This from here on over is a fuel tank. So, in order to access that, you have to go to the side of the machine, lift this up. We got a battery in here, And we have a tool cap. So that's, you know, just like any piece of equipment, it needs a little TLC at times. All equipment does. See, he's putting smaller material on top to weight down the brush, any of the limbs that might get hung up. And I think he's probably about ready for me, so I'll go over there and get in the truck and get ready to dump.